Hey everyone, I made it inside Walmart, so I've been getting a lot of requests to kind of go through their freezer. So in this area, I believe I'm in like cauliflower pizza area. And these are $8.98. They are keto friendly and made with cheese. This is a crust pizza, gluten free and grain free. 1 gram net carb per 1/3 crust. And this one, all about the base. Dairy free, gluten free. There's many options to choose from. This one's gonna be Italian sausage and vegetables. $6.48 for these two. And down here, this is cauliflower spicy jalapeno, $9.46. And they have sweet red pepper. What is this one? Ultimate 4 cheese. Sonoma flatbread. You know what? I haven't tried this brand. I tried Udi's, and I heard that Quest is pretty good. This one's going to be $6.96. And then we have Great Value, $4.98. 375 calories. Margarita is $6.48. And then we have 3 cheese, again $6.48. $6.94, the cheese a lover. Of course, it's going to be gluten free. And we have Supreme. Meatless Italian sausage, bell peppers and mushroom. You know what? Bell peppers on pizza is so good. Even tomato. I know it sounds gross, but it's really, really good. $6.94, just pepperoni, meatless, New York cheesecake, dairy and soy free, gluten free. No price on this one, but the fire roasted is $6.94. And of course, Udi's on top. This is chicken Alfredo, which is $7.96 here. Gluten free pasta. You got grilled cheese, broccoli, and the sauce. And lasagna is $9.86. I do wish Udi's would sell like a family pack, right? Because look how tiny that is, you know. Not a single serving, but you know. We had the, what is this one? Bagels. Oh, sandwich bread. Udi's sandwich bread, $5.24. I buy these tortillas in Costco, $7.96 here. You do get 8. So if you find them in Costco, it would be much cheaper because you do get way more. The only thing I wish it was bigger, you know. And the hard thing is when you heat it up, you do have to be careful because you could overheat it, and then when you fold it over, it's gonna crack. And cauliflower chicken tenders are $7.28. Dino Buddies, oh, they have meatless. I didn't know that. So $4.97. Yeah, well, gluten free is $4.97, and veggie nuggets are $4.98. Gluten-free buffalo bites, it looks like $5.46 here. Applegate, $7.72. You know what, these are pretty good. I do like them in the air fryer. Again, sometimes you could find them in a large bag. They have chicken breast tenders. These are $10.82. It can be pretty pricey to do gluten-free. It really is. And $1.98. What is this one? Turkey sausage, a breakfast burrito. Power waffles, we have dark chocolate, blueberry. These are $4.48. You have buttermilk and vanilla. These are $5.48 at the bottom. The square ones are going to cost you a little more. Let's see, gluten-free frontier oat, $4.48. And keto-friendly waffles are $3.98.
You know why the square ones cost more, right?
Why?
Because
$4.54. Maple and chicken, or chicken and maple breakfast sausage. I hear a lot of great things about this. I haven't tried it yet. No sugar chicken. That sounds pretty good too. So we have Amy's here. You know what? I've tried Amy's dinners before. They're okay. They get the job done. $3.94. Not bad to have at work. Down here it is sausage, rice cauli with hemp seed. This is going to be a breakfast bowl. Egg and cheese on rice cauli. Okay, $4.98. You could also pre-make that at home. Chicken Alfredo is $4.96 by Happy Foodie. chicken, rice, broccoli, and veggies. And then real good, $6.94, and you will get 4. What is this one? $4.98, beef and 3 cheese and eggplant. It's like a lasagna bowl. Again, more Happy Foodie for $4.38. Mashed cauli, seasoned beef and veggie. At $4.22, you get chicken, rice, and cauli with cheese. Oh, look at that, fat bombs. Okay, that's like a keto snack for $5.94. Beef empanadas. Okay, those are $2.23. And they do have like this steak and cheese burrito made with beef without antibiotics. This one's $1.97. And if you want bone broth, organic chicken, $7.98. Amy's, these are actually pretty good. You got the black bean enchilada and veggies, $3.98. That is plant-based. They also have a cheese enchilada. This one's going to be gluten-free for $3.98. And one, you get rice and beans for $3.98. The burritos, again, they're not bad either. I buy the gluten-free kind for my daughter. So we have one with rice and beans, non-dairy. Now these are $2.74. You also have beans and rice, organic, and then more organic beans and rice, $2.74. So these are like easy after school snack. Bean and cheese burrito, gluten-free, $2.94. They also have non-dairy with beans and rice for $2.94. The Alpha Burrito, I have not heard of this brand, but $2.36 here. It is plant-based. They have chicken fajita and $3.88. Let me pull this one out. Santa Fe Burrito, it is plant-based. Oh, look. Here's a Tex-Mex for $2.13. And then a breakfast one for $3.38. Let me pull this one out for $3.98. And they have cauli mac. I haven't tried that one yet. Morning Star chicken nuggets are $6.98. Hey, $3.94. I didn't know they make a plant-based, which is kind of cool, you guys. This video is also helping me. I didn't know that. So Meatless Alfredo chicken, $3.94, 10 grams of protein. And they have power bowls here. They're plant-based chicken, meatless chicken, $3.48. And they also have the beef and veggie stir fry, $3.48. On top, these are $3.97 for the chicken sliders. Always vegan. I guess that's a good vegan brand. There's a lot here. Italian sausage and pasta bowl, $3.97. And they have like chicken strips. Those are $3.97. And like mandarin orange. And on top, meatless meatballs are $3.97. 14 grams of protein. And they have beef tips for $3.97. That's kind of cool. And look, Marie calendars, they're getting in on the action. Plant-based beef pot pie for $2.98. And look, they even have their plant-based lasagna. Okay, all this is new for me. They got the creamy mac. That's kind of cool. And what is this one? Oh, the sausage, $4.42. Morning Star Farms, $6.48. Vegan meat lovers. They also have like the cheeseburger, vegan cheeseburger, $7.47. The chicken patties are $3.67. Well, there's like 2 different prices. I think this one goes over here. The veggie griller, okay. On top, the black bean, $3.67. And then $6.48 for a spicy black bean. This is gonna be the value one. Okay, so you're gonna get more on that. $3.67. Try not to be in people's way here. It gets kind of hard filming. It's like I don't have eyes behind me. $3.67 for the chicken nugget. Vegetizers, popcorn chicken, $3.67. And they had the veggie dog for you. Sausage patties are $3.67. And kind of like pizza rolls, $3.67. That's kind of cool. Chorizo, veggie chorizo, $4.98. Interesting. Tattooed chef. Ooh, that looks pretty good. $3.50. That is gonna be gluten-free. And they have green bean blend. You know what? They used to have bags like this in Costco. They don't have it anymore. $3.50. Alright, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. They have Annie's at the bottom with hidden veggies. Plant-based. $2.94. More chicken pot pies. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this Walmart video of like the veggies and gluten-free area. If I go any further, we're getting to vegetables and kind of like the pizza area, and it's getting crowded. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.